The first lecture of the day was presented by Simon Albright, an accelerator physicist at CERN, and it was entitled Introduction to Particle Accelerators. The second speaker of the day was Dr. Anna Pezzotto from the University of Washington. Anna's presentation was based upon detectors at the LHC. Her takeaway message being that we can detect particles from their interaction with matter. Most interactions either give off light or electric charge, so we build our detectors to exploit these in different ways. The detectors at the LHC are giants of engineering and physics, using many different technologies laid together to give the complete picture of everything that comes out of the LHC collision. One of the highlights of the day was the lecture presented by Professor Luis Roberto Flores Castillo, who lectures at the Chinese University of Hong Kong. Luis delivered an amazing lecture on the discovery of the Higgs boson. Luis was generous with his time and answered many questions about the Higgs boson from the participants from the HST2025 program. A lot of content was covered in day 2 in preparation for the rest of the program.